We got a real heater. It's really loud, but it works really nice. We're all in here without jackets for once.
Yeah, propane heater.
And we've only had it on for like 5 minutes in here with the door shut.
Yeah, but we had to like redneck light it for the butane torch.
Yeah, because for some reason the igniter is not working.
Yeah, it's only 40 bucks at an auction. I don't care. Meanwhile, Taykohs mess with fuel lines.
Yeah.
We're like this close to getting that in.
Should I run this up here?
I don't know.
Not by the exhaust.
Where are you putting the regulator then?
I don't know. That's the thing.
Well,
That's why it's one of those situations where you gotta have the engine in here to do it.
I just put the regulator behind the strip, like up inside the strip.
Yeah. Either way, I gotta flare this. I'll flare it real quick.
Just the first one.
This one isn't as good as mine.
Oh, that's a cheap.
Yeah, we're in here staying warm. We're gonna try and get as much done tonight as possible. I'd like to get the engine in it,
Yeah, so we can,
but we'll see how that goes.
yeah. We can be banging gears while playing with gears.
This isn't sketchy at all.
You'll be alright.
Yeah, you want to move that socket before it disappears into the abyss?
God, I got a power steering. You got me pick me up with the power steering pump. The power steering pump thing was in my pocket.
So that's not my pump. That's his pump.
Damn it! Oh!
Whoa. Whoa. stop. Why? You're being a bitch. Go up a cut here. Slide up in the back, but not in the front.
If you have to, put the bolt in backwards. I don't give a fuck.
That face though.
You want me to jack the training up?
There it goes.
Oh, okay.
I told you it's just there.
Okay, now let's bolt these down so we don't pull another Blazer or any of our other V8 swamp trucks.
Yeah, and then we need to slide the training cross member in there to
Yeah.
hold the
And
trans.
we gotta bolt the hood back down.
Alright. Well, motor's in, transmission's in.
Drop
See
it
if
down.
lines up. See if that shifter lines up.
Yay, yay. It missed?
Is it really?
Is it like in the middle? Oh!
Like it came out of one.
Awesome. Oh yeah. Like almost directly in the middle, like it's supposed to be. Okay.
Well, it has taken us 5 days. It's a small block swap, 5-speed swap. and
Carburetor.
Step side. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let her down.
And we did that with the distributor in.
I told you there was